Welcome to the Business Owner Bookkeeping course in this masterclass. Now, before we do anything else, I want to address one super important question that I get all the time, which is, what if I'm bad at math? I hear this question all of the time from coworkers to clients to friends. Everyone thinks that if they're bad at math, they can't do accounting, they can't do bookkeeping, they can't do taxes, and I'm here to tell you that that is simply not true. If you can count, add, and subtract, you can do this with zero problems. And if you can't do those three things, guess what? You still can. That's because I've made you guys a free custom bookkeeping template to take all the math out of the equation, pun intended, to make everything as easy as possible. Using that template, I've broken down the entire bookkeeping process into 3 super simple math-free steps. So all you have to do every single month is look at one piece of paper and put the numbers into your bookkeeping template. Plus, when it comes to tax time, all you have to do is look at the numbers that your bookkeeping template is spitting out, put those into the computer program, and you'll be all good. The template does all of the math, all of the calculations, all of that stuff for you, so you can just focus on growing your business. That said, in the next video, I'll talk about what bookkeeping actually is and get you guys introduced to exactly what we're going to be doing when it comes to bookkeeping. I will see you then.